Between my reason, like a raven in the nighttime when you left. I wear a chain upon my wrist that bears no name. You touched it and you wore it, and you kept it in your pillow. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was an archer, a weatherman of words, but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird. The white walls of your dressing room are stained in scarlet red. You bled upon the cold stone like a young man. In the foreign field of death. Oh, wouldn't it be wonderful is all I have to say. You never closed your eyes. A keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman of the words, but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird. Was stomping out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought